Guys, welcome to another episode of the Coin King crypto video. Before I get started, guys, be sure to subscribe to the Coin King channel here at the Coin King 1980. And also be sure to follow me at the DA Coin King, the one, the only, the Coin King on X. And your favorite technical analysis down to Crypto TA. She's been hosting the past probably almost a month or so now, from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. So we took a break today off. So we may just skip Wednesday and do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just follow me on at the Coin King 1980, and I'll let y'all know if anything changes like that. If any make, you may have seen my tweet this morning saying that we gonna like resume this a little bit later, probably tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah, I will tweet it out and let everybody know about it. Okay, so um, anyway, back to the market itself. Today was the big Fed news day with Jerome Powell. He did not cut the rate as some people wanting, because had he done so, the market probably is going to run massively, and he didn't, of course, and the market reacted. We got 117,000 Bitcoin and 3,700 Ethereum, but I think the next few days it's going to go back up slowly. But your host at Down to Crypto TA probably can provide you more useful information as far as the what she thinks the market will be reacting the next few days. So tune in tomorrow around 5 a.m. Around 5 a.m. and get all the great information from her. So anyway, in my opinion, of course, I think this is the year that stuff's gonna go nuts. When I say go nuts, I'm talking about like you know, the whole entire market, right? I mean the altcoin season is what everybody's calling. So hopefully that's gonna happen. If it does happen, it's gonna be the biggest altcoin run probably in the history, because we got pro crypto president, pro SEC man now. The industry's getting that genius bill passed, so everybody is more like loving crypto, loving the innovation, what's going on in the space. So banks are allowing people to buy cryptos and Bitcoin and all that good stuff. So I think it's going to be we're in a better position now than ever in the crypto space. And if people are not jumping in right now, I think FUMO is going to be crazy when that happened. And I think that's what I think every altcoin is going to run, like even all the crappy coin going to run. But, all eyes is on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So, because once the super parabolic bull run, should I say, happen, anything that's going to probably people are like, what the hell is this crap? It's going to run too, probably, but it's going to run very short. Very short before like it correct itself, and then people are gonna be like, y'all, all the people buying a bunch of stuff that's ridiculous names and meme this unnecessary. Those are the ones probably gonna get hurt. So I think from my you know from my own way of you buying investing in crypto space. I've been holding mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, and all the what they call blue chips. I hate to say that's what they call it, blue chips crypto, which is like Polkadot, Cardano, um, Solana, uh, Tezo. Those are more like the ones that people are using. Tron is considered to be, I mean, it's Tron going nuts. I mean, look at Tron, guys. I mean, look at Tron sitting at 32.7, almost 33 cents on a market that's going down some. Tron still have a movement. I think Tron's going to go to $1, and can it be higher? It's possible, because Tron, Justin Sun did an IPO with the other company that he bought out, and from what I heard, he's raising I think, I don't know how many millions, but it's pretty large chunk to to do what Michael Saylor is doing with Bitcoin, which is Tron strategy, which is kind of risky in a way if you think about it. Do I like it? I like the fact that if they're going to accumulate in Tron, they're probably going to increase the value more. So that's what I'm saying, that they may be staying above dollar even in the next bear market. I'll say 50 cents and above. You know what I mean? So, but there's a lot of, let me look at Tron market cap sitting at, my goodness, 94. What? $94 billion market. Man, Justin Sun is delivering. And then look at this. You got Cardano. I just can't believe I'm looking at this right. Am I doing this right here? This is, hold on. I'm sorry. That's not even, I was looking at the wrong thing. That's a circulating supply. 94 billion. Okay. The market cap is 31 billion, which is still insane amount. And Cardano's 26 billion. So, AVAX is coming up at $23. Litecoin pushing it over 100. And a lot of people, Dogecoin, they think it's going to go to $1. But anyway, I think anything in the top 100 is pretty much kind of like a safer investment if you want to buy and hodl through the next bull market to make some money. Not financial advice, of course, but that's my opinion. That's what I think. But one token that that I think is going to be, it hadn't had its time to run is Oasis, which is the Rose, right? I think this right here, I love the accumulate. I've been trading some or getting some of my rewards from my other projects, just strictly reward, of course, and putting into just getting a little bit more position into Rose, because I think Rose are gonna run, man. It's like it's a privacy blockchain. I think a lot of stuff that may be needed, uh, having privacy blockchain could be something kind of like, make it really unique and different. It's max supply or total supply is only 10 billion max. I mean, even if you think about Rose sitting at 2 pennies going to $1, that's almost 100x. And we only give it, even if you were thinking about total supply of 10 billion, so that would give you like 10 billions market cap. That's nothing compared to what Tron and the Cardano you've seen, right? I don't think the entire market will even question like, why is Rose $10 billion, even if it hit dollar or $1, right? And I think it's possible this could be almost 100x or more runner. Could be like Polygon and Matic of the past few years that we've seen where we've been sitting. I mean, even Cardano was like 2 pennies, right? I mean, look at the market cap. It's only 191 million. That's really, really small. So I really think that that Rose has potential to run, and I think they may have. They're supposed to be big on AI. Let me see, what is this here? Yeah, whatever. So, smart privacy for Web3 and AI. Better apps require smarter privacy. Build a better Web3 on the only confidential Ethereum virtual machine in production. So you can build on Rose, and let's say build application. I think this is the big thing right here. OFL, scale beyond limit. Build application with the power of off-chain computation and on-chain trust. OFL delivers confidential, verifiable computing to scale your app beyond the limit of any claims of any chain. Sorry. So Oasis Sapphire, build confidential app. So yeah, so if people want to build more like a privacy application or AI, this is probably a good place to do it. And these are all the apps that's being developed on it. So use case Agent 85. Holy crap! I hadn't visited this site in so long. Man, I'm even more excited just looking at this, because this thing could go over 100x. Because AI, DeFi, look at this. Leverage verifiable confidential computation to build trustless AI application. So you can build like AI application on Oasis, and use Rose token to to drive the network. This is crazy. I didn't realize that. I mean, I knew that just by looking at the market cap and the supply that it's already a really, really safe investment that actually could give you almost. I mean, I'm trying to be conservative. You know, what I mean, 50x is definitely a very doable. 'Cause it went up to 59 cents, I think, in a few 2, 3 years ago. 59 cents. I think it's going to retest, go back to 59 cents, and surpass $1. So that's 100x with Rose, right? And definitely low risk, high reward. Yeah, so that this is the one to keep me personally. I'm gonna keep an eye on. If I have any type of reward or a few bucks or whatever, I will accumulate to raise more position in this. Because I think this is gonna be a pretty big runner. So Oasis. So yeah, visit oasis.net, guys, if you want to get more information. And I guess they're very active on their X channel too, because I've been reading stuff on there. Here's their X channel, Oasis Protocol. So here it is, ROFL is now live on mainnet. Oasis off-chain framework for trustless confidential compute is ready for real-world use. Okay, what is this? Bill on ROFL. Again, some of these terminology, guys, if this is like more technical, then you know, I'm not a developer for these blockchains, so this must be a new thing that they just created. Uh, what the hell? But anyway, guys, just follow and like I said, they're active on X. Go to visit their website to get more information. If you have any question, hey, reach out to them. They're very active, or just ask them, I guess, or whoever the community. Just stay away from any support people who trying to get your address, or it's like send this and send that to you. I wouldn't advise in doing that. Because there's a lot of scam on the internet, and as crypto as hot as crypto is getting, I would not advise to interact with anyone on DM for Oasis or anywhere on X to your private DM or whatever, providing you with some information. Just be careful, be very careful with scammers in the crypto space right now. So use your common sense, you know. Don't give anyone your key information or anything, because there's no customer support on, unless it's coming from directly from this. Then again, even that they could be hacked. Someone could hack in there and then pretending to be Oasis. Then you have some issue, and then all of a sudden that you like providing them all this information, and they just open your wallet and take all your token away. So be very, very careful with that, guys. Be safe in the crypto space. We're on the verge of a huge parabolic super bull run, and you don't want to be there and say, "Oh my God, they drained my wallet." Don't let it happen, guys. Okay. But anyway, be sure to hit like on this video and subscribe to the Coin King channel here. And again, be sure to watch our live streaming from 5 to 10 a.m. As you can see here, yours truly down to crypto. TA is always providing you some great analysis, technical analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, uh, Ondo, Sui, whatever. She does more than just look at just Bitcoin, right? It is called Bitcoin signals, but as far as she does look at other information on the chart, which can provide you with a lot of uh, you know, yeah, a lot of information to help you with your trade or make the right decision, even though it's not financial advice. Okay, it's not a financial. Our channel is not to give you financial advice on how to make money or anything. This is strictly for entertainment and fun. Even though you know, we use this for our personal purpose, when we do our trade and things like that, but it's not by any means that you should be following it. So just do your own research and due diligence. Um, okay. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.